Hi everyone, today I will demonstrate the USB Passthrough feature in 1.4.0 Harvest. USB Passthrough is like PCI Passthrough, it only passes USB devices you choose. For example, let's say we have a USB controller here. If you choose to pass through the USB controller, the node cannot read any USB devices anymore. However, if you use USB pass-through feature to pass one specific USB devices, for example, it's a USB-B here, the node still can read the rest of the USB devices. For example, it's a USB-A here. Okay, let's continue our demonstration. In order to enable the USB pass-through, we have it in our PCI devices controller. So please enable it first. And normally we will need to wait for a few minutes for deployment. After deployment, you can check all USB devices here. And this is my USB storage devices I already plugged in before. We can try to physically remove it and see what happens. And it will disappear. And if we try to plug in again, it will show up. Before using the USB pass-through feature, you need to enable it. So select the USB device you want to pass through and click Enable Pass-through. There are some limitations about the USB pass-through feature. I will show the official documentation later. And click Enable. Next, we will need to create a virtual machine and fill in any required fields. Next, navigate to the USB devices tab and select the enabled one. Click Create to create our virtual machine. After the VM starting, you can click Web VNC to check the VM status. And we can use the ls USB command to check all USB devices. So you can see there's a 0951-1666 here is our USB device. So this is this one. Then, since it's a USB storage devices, so we can also use a lsblk command to check it. So it's a 32 gigabyte USB storage device. Then, to unplug the USB device, first we need to detach it. Click icon here and click Edit Config. Detach it and save. Click Save. This action will take effect after rebooting. So we need to wait for a few seconds. After VM reboots, click Web VNC to check our USB device. So it's been removed. Then we can go to the USB devices tab and disable it. Then we can physically remove it. For more details and limitation, please go to the Harvest documentation. follow the advanced here, available add-ons, PCI devices, and find the USB devices section. There are some information you will need to know, and there are some limitations in the end. Please take a look before using the USB pass-through feature. That's today's demo. Thank you for watching.